Welcome back, everyone. We often check out the AI agent store for cool resources, and today's is definitely one to talk about. We're looking at the Vercel AI SDK.
hmm
It's an open-source TypeScript SDK. Basically, it's designed for building apps and agents powered by large language models. But, you know, what really makes this one tick? What's special about it?
Yeah, it's interesting. What's kind of fascinating here is that even though it's really capable, its autonomy level is pegged super low, like 4%. And that tells you a lot right away.
Okay.
It's a toolkit for developers, not some independent agent running around making decisions. It needs a human developer to actually implement it, to control it. So it's really built by developers for
And
developers.
developers seem to love it, right?
Yeah,
I saw it has like over 2 million weekly downloads. That's
it
huge.
really is, shows how much traction it's getting.
Okay, so let's unpack that. What actually makes it so good,
Mhm.
especially for, say, software devs, AI folks, front-end developers?
Well, I think the biggest advantage, honestly, is the unified provider API.
Unified API,
Well,
how does that help?
think about it. Maybe you want to try OpenAI, then switch to Anthropic's Claude, or maybe Google Gemini. Normally, that's a headache. But with this SDK, you can swap them out pretty easily. Minimal code changes.
Oh, okay.
It just makes integrations so much simpler, saves a ton of time.
Right, yeah. Anyone who's battled APIs knows that sounds amazing. But it's not just the integration, is it? There are specific features, too.
Exactly. It gets really practical, like it supports structured output using Zod.
Zod for validation. So you get predictable AI responses.
Precisely. You define the structure you want, and it helps ensure the AI sticks to it. Super useful. And then there's streaming responses, for that real-time feel in chat apps, where the text appears word by word. It handles that smoothly.
Okay, yeah, essential for good UX.
And taking it a step further into more complex AI stuff, it supports tool calling.
Tool caller, meaning the AI can use external tools.
Right. And agentic decision loops.
Okay.
So your AI isn't just generating text. It can interact with other APIs, maybe query a database, make a sequence of decisions to get something done.
So it becomes more of an active agent within the application's logic.
Exactly. And crucially, it does all this with full TypeScript type safety. Doesn't matter if you're using React, Svelte, Vue, Angular, Node.
Type safety across the board. Developers love that.
Oh, yeah. Means fewer errors at runtime, more reliable code. It just streamlines building those complex chat UIs and AI features.
That sounds incredibly valuable, especially the reliability part. So bring it back to the listener. If you're thinking about building AI applications, what's the main takeaway here?
I think it boils down to speed and accessibility. You can prototype really fast with this, and you can build features that are actually production ready, not just demos,
And it's accessible because...
because it's free
Yeah,
and open source. So anyone who wants to get their hands dirty with AI automation, web development, they can just jump in. There's no big cost barrier.
makes sense. And the community feedback seems to back all this up. Right?
Yeah, definitely. You see a lot of positive comments about, how effective it is for chatbots, handling that streaming we talked about, managing prompts.
And good for front-end specifically.
Yeah, people mention that a lot, especially things like the use chat React hook. It apparently makes building those interactive AI interfaces much more straightforward, kind of simplifies the front-end work.
So the Vercel AI SDK really feels like a great example of these powerful tools that don't replace developers, but give them immense control.
Exactly, control and flexibility. It turns something potentially complex, integrating sophisticated AI into a much more manageable process.
It's pretty empowering seeing tools like this put so much capability directly in developers' hands. Well, you can explore the Vercel AI SDK for yourself and find loads of other resources over at aiagentstore.ai. Thanks for tuning in today, and we really appreciate it when you rate the show.